Alright, YouTube, so we're all done with day one of the waterlogged wall, mold mildew wall, we'll call it. We're all done. We got our first render of compound up there. All right, filling in the deep parts of the wall that have been gouged out. We've got that up there, and that's drying. That'll take about 45 minutes to dry. So we'll just go ahead and we'll let that dry overnight since it's so late in the day. Okay, we'll come in tomorrow and we'll sand that, and we'll get ready to do a final render on this wall of compound coat. So today, what we did with this is we knocked everything loose off the wall, all the loose coating, the little crummy things, and let's call it, tape, drywall tape, things like that. We knocked all that off, and then we locked it all down with Kills Complete, and then we did a first render of compound on it. All right, up at the top we took the screws out up there in that framing and just squared it up a little bit and got it ready for new drywall. All right, so this will be part one. We'll do part two tomorrow. I appreciate y'all checking out my channel. My channel is new to YouTube, so by all means interact, don't like, give it a thumbs down if you want to. Subscribe if you want. If you don't, oh well. I'll try harder next time. But thanks for watching, and look out for part two.